Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are going to look through the latest Mythographic release, which came out on the 15th, so if you pre-ordered it through Amazon, it should have shown up at your house on release date. Doesn't always work that way, but should. And this is Deep Blue. The artist is Fabiana Attanasio. Mythographic has multiple artists, so if you like a certain artist, you will want to make sure you're always looking to see what artist is doing what book. But this is the latest release. I pre-ordered this quite a bit ago and very excited. So it's just like all Mythographics. They're printed single-sided, perforated edges if you want to pull it out, and it feels like the same paper, so that's good news. They haven't changed that up. So let's get going. Now mine did come on time on the 15th. I just was too lazy to record it. Now Fabiana Attanasio is one of my favorite artists. Love the style. And I do love that now Mythographic is no longer doing the hidden objects. So if you've bought like Mythographic books before, oh look at that one, that's so cool. Like maybe, what is it, 4 or 5 books ago they finally stopped doing it. Maybe 6, I don't know. Time flies. But all new releases don't have the hidden objects. Oh, this is awesome. And it's great because then you can just focus on the artwork, because the older books were amazing. It was those stupid hidden objects that ruined it, because you'd have to find a way to color around them. Oh, that's cool. The octopus is like sewing. Oh, that one's beautiful. I haven't looked through this myself. I decided to wait until I filmed it. Oh, I like that one. That's cool. Ooh. It's almost like a paper boat, like an origami boat. Oh, isn't that cute? The saloon for the fishies. This paper is thick, so sometimes you're not sure if you skipped one. Okay. I like that one. That looks fun. Ooh, that one. That's pretty cool. It's not as like super aquatic as I thought it would be. I mean, obviously you got your jellyfish and fishes, but some of these, you know, are like, they have a little bit more than what you would expect, or I guess what I was thinking might be in there. I like that one. That's cool. Snow globe. Hanging out at the bottom of the ocean with a crab. That's cool. It's almost like a kind of Alice in Wonderland-y. Interesting. I like those. Oh, that's crazy. It's a cat that turns into a fish. That's... Got our little space age mechanical fishies. Is there another Mythographic page almost like that? I'm having deja vu. Oh, I like that one. That's cool. Gosh, the imagination that goes into Mythographic books by all the artists that work with them to release these, it is just phenomenal what they think of. I mean, who thinks this stuff up? That's my thing. Oh, that's cool too. I like that. Ooh, a carousel. That one's cool. I like that one. Those are pretty. I love the way the flowers are. Oh, that one's fun. That's neat too. So creative. It's a narwhal. I never knew what one was till I had kids. Oh, I like that one. Although it's kind of scary that those crabs are as big as the little diver there. That's why you don't catch me deep sea diving. Don't know what's down there. Ooh, I like this one. That's cool. Like all the ocean things are stuck in the bubbles. But I mean, it's still like water or clouds. I don't know what you would think of that. Ooh, that one's like a space age sea one. Look, a city underwater. That's cool. The face in there. It's beautiful. Again, who thinks of these things? It's so creative. I want to think that way. I just want to sit there and picture a clock covered in seaweed. I don't know. Oh, that would be a fun one too. And that's it. So this is just kind of some of the latest releases. You know, Wild Winter, I don't think I have that one. I have the rest of these. I know I have Voyage, Menagerie, Magical Earth, which is becoming one of my favorites. So, and here is the back cover. So yeah, this is Deep Blue. Fabiana Attanasio is the artist for this one from Mythographic. It is on Amazon now. Let me know if you ended up pre-ordering it or got it and what you thought of it. And until next time, take care. Bye now.